We are pleased to show you the 2014 Fusion. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic parking brake, traction control, stability control, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, child safety locks, multifunction display, power door locks, power windows, one-touch windows, 4, power steering, tachometer. You can have both impressive power and great economy in a Fusion. Come take a test drive today.